Hello viewers, we'll be going over natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in positive MACD, heading into negative MACD territory, and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend now to the 4-hour chart, we remain in positive MACD and slightly off of overbought condition. We did encounter resistance with the 200 moving average, this green line, at the price of $2.65. As we extend out to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD, seeing signs of it converge there, and the overall trend, we're still in a downtrend, as indicated here. If we were to head up higher, the next resistance will be where we have the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, as I coincide with the highs back in December 22nd at around a price of $2.77. And as for support, that'll be where we have the 150-day moving average, this red line, at the price of $2.33. If we were to test support, that price movement to the downside is roughly around 9.9%, and to test resistance, that is around 7.1%. And as for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $7.95. My sell target is at $9.67, and my stop loss is at $7.55. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $10.45, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $8.42, and my stop loss is at $11.34. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 38% chance for natural gas to climb between 0 to 13.6%. As for downside, we have a 50% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 13.6%, and 13% chance to fall between negative 13.6 to negative 27.2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.